plane just crashed with the coke.
That's right, the plane just landed. If you want to win this 2024 BMW S1000RR with race and dynamic package, M-Forged wheels, quick shifter up and down, a Kropovich exhaust, and much, much more. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you're automatically entered.
I see you, brother. Alright. I know them back against the wall, them fine. Oh, what a joy. Alright, I see you guys. Oh, they out here, baby. It's just the beginning. They out here. Congratulations for this beautiful day. Congratulations for you guys tuning in. Welcome to the party, man. Oh, what a joy. Slide on the outside. Slide behind the Audi. Make sure you peek though. You say, hell yeah, I know that Audi. That thing is mean right here, boy. I thought he was coming out of there. Love set me free. I thought he was coming out. Get behind his homeboy. Love set me free. Hello, ladies. How you guys doing? Welcome to the party. All right. Jara. Alright. I see you over there. No reason to be shy. No reason to be shy. What's up, buddy? Hey, hey. Alright, my boy, you say, hell yeah. Berlin, the place to be, baby. Place to be. The place to be. Check my time. I ain't gonna rush, take my time. Let the people pass through here. Alright. The riders out here. Getting their scoots in, scooting. New boot goofing and scooting. New boot goofing. Shout out to all the people who bought new race boots. New boot scooting. Just a come on the judge's son. I'm off the reggae music today. Pull the tire down. Oh. Just a come. But if you guys want to enter to win this beautiful 2024 BMW S1000RR, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, buy the merch or donate, and you're automatically entered, man. Each ticket is 3 opportunities to win, 3 chances to win. A long time. Heart of mine. Bonjour. Bonjour. Where can I find a place to live in this jungle created by mankind? Ooh, where can I lay my weary head? They closed the road up over here. Gotta swing away, swing it. Let the cake blow. Let the cake blow. Let the cake out. Find me a place. Yeah, yes I think over there in the valley. Fix up the drip. Can't let the drip go out of whack. You gotta keep the drip. Nature is calling me. Oh, fix the tire clip. Thank goodness for coming out. We'll clean up your hard time, calm. Wiggling, just wiggling. I see him over here peeking. Check him out. I ain't gonna let him. I ain't gotta peek at him. Let the 360 get him. If you guys want to buy this body kit, it's beautiful. Silver with the purple, yellow, white, and black. Head over to armmotorpart.com. Get your custom fairings and enter full RPM for your discount, man. Save big. Save big. Especially when you're trying to get that fast delivery of it. Save big. Woo. Come on, light. Make me feel like I want to go to the front now. I don't want to skip the line, but it's making me feel like I want to skip the line. Easy profit, my brother, yes. Oh, yes, yeah. Give ear to my words, oh God. Voice to my meditation. To the voices of your little ones, oh King of salvation. We'll make this smoke on. I give them no respect. I see y'all girls too. I want to get their little sneaky peek. The friend told her other one, she said, girl, look at him quick. Then I swung out, cape flipping like Batman. Check my man out over here. Alright. Lock the brake. Lock the brake on him. But man, you can do this, man. Anybody can do this. Just believe in yourself. Don't let nobody tell you can't. All odds are against you. Stand up. Believe in yourself, man. Believe in yourself. I see you guys. I see all over there, girls. She said, "Oh, that sound good, and he looking good." All right, girls. Right on cue. 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 Oh man, what's up, guys? All right, brother. All right. Make them feel good too, man. Nobody gets left out. Nobody gets left out. No one gets left out. Everyone gets taken care of. Oh, you about to curse them out. Cursing them out. Cursing them out. Catching them, cursing them out. The devil's always out here lurking, man. So you got to keep the energy pure. There's always vampires around. They're trying to get you. Trying to get you. And that old man would have hit the gas pedal and ran into the other car. Oh, hey, baby. Oh, you're looking good. All right. Out. Pinky. 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 Check out Pinky. She whipping it too. She whipping it. Pinky. Full RPM here, guys. Back with another legendary video. I'm giving away this 2024 BMW S1000RR plus 5,000 euro, man, to one lucky winner, man or a woman. Man or a woman. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. Somebody's gonna win 5,000 euro and this bad boy, bad girl, whatever you want to call it. But her name is Snow White. Because if a woman wins it, she's gonna say it's a guy. And if a guy wins it, he'll continue the legacy as it's a woman. Here it is. Silver metallic, purple, yellow, white, and black. One of one. One of one. You see it? I think it's gorgeous, man. I think it's gorgeous. The purple over here. The purple and black BMW logos. Akrapovic exhaust. M-forged wheels. Wherever you are in the world, man, enter to win it. Make sure this thing gets to you. Make sure to get to you, man. Gorgeous.